There's always a learning curve to use these kinds of features. That's what we're here for. Simula kasi talagang it'll take a little bit of getting used to, but ultimately it should make job easier and hopefully more fun. There's a lot of other things that you can do. Okay, we want to print this profile, their profile. We can actually do that. Press this print button. You get all their details on a document that we can print in, whether PDF. Even this, we can change what to see. We can add logos, we can add addresses. It could be an actual official document if you want to. You can put headers. I think that's some of the basic things, at least on a profile view. And any question po or clarification around this area? We can add any kind of fields naman po. Kasi every company, iba-iba din yung regularization, di ba? Yung iba naman, ako, like I've experienced ako, contractual ako the whole time. It never had probationary, or I could be freelancer. So any kind of employee-employer relationship, we'll just have to create that process and then malalagay natin siya dito. Part of the service is meron tayong workshops. So i-workshop namin kayo lahat, i-document namin lahat ng processes. And from there, okay, you need this kind of data na, okay, we have to be notified for someone's regularization, or someone's about to end the contract, or someone's just terminated today and stop that contract. Those kind of scenarios. So we'll identify all of that and we'll put that on the system. Part of the system is automation. So everything that we want to get notified yung ating mga employees, the management, or even actually customers, we just need to know what the trigger is. Like, okay, 30 days before that regularization, please let us know kasi we have to prepare all the documentation, di ba? So at least we're notified in advance. So if someone missed that, I'm sorry, like it's in the system. There's no excuse. You were sent an email, it's clear here, activity, received. Ito, nakita nyo, you created a document. The system knows that. And it's no longer for debate. Kasi the system literally reminded you. If they missed that, that's a different conversation. But what matters is we have a log of everything that's going on within the company. And then we can also build like automation na pwedeng sa WhatsApp. We prefer WhatsApp. So we'll check naman ano yung best na easy integration. Pero we always recommend email talaga. Kasi it's more formal, more flexible. We have a Singapore client, talagang WhatsApp sila lahat. Bihira daw mag-email. Okay, fine. So you can attach files if you needed. So yung printed version, for example, oh, this employee is due for regularization. You see this part, attachment? You can attach all kinds of documents. Contract, job offer, salary slip, pay slip. So if there's an issue with certain things, then attach it on the automated email. The system would know that. There's always a way to like download it and put in your email. I mean, that's doable, but we would prefer we do that within the system. And katulad nito, we directly can email this profile. You can literally create an email straight from here. Okay, I have to send something to Gab. Create links. You can make the email beautiful if you want to. You get all the attachment within the system. Hindi ka na maghahagulap sa Google Drive mo. Nasaan na nga yung Google Drive ng file na yun? It's literally on their profile. And may mga ready-made format. Pwede tayo gumawa ng mga format ng mga email dito para naka-template na siya. So, pwede natin siya i-template. So, yeah, those convenient things. Part of the feature na nilagay namin dito is mayroon ka ng department, tapos may mga department heads, someone's reporting to, ganyan, next ladder. We can create that hierarchy in the system for approval processes.